2 years ago, the Davis School District began a partnership with Hill Air Force Base to work with families of those who serve our country. It started with the question, what would you do if you create a team that could serve military-connected families? What arose is an effort that caused the Pentagon to consider it a possible model for other bases and districts across the country. The catalyst? The creation of military family advocates within a team of already existing mental health therapists and family resource facilitators. As an introduction, here are just two people involved in that effort.
The collaboration, the relationship that we've created with an active duty establishment, that is pretty unique, and we're collaborating on the same issues. It's the right thing to do for our district to be a part of it.
Now that we're on our second year, I feel like there's a trust and there's a connection that military parents thrive. In the very beginning, we needed to explain our stance, we needed to explain what our mission was. Once they understood that we were here for them, it opened up the possibilities of the hundreds and hundreds of ways we can help them.
Our military support team is the bigger picture of where do they fit in the Davis School District. And that's in the Student and Family Resources Department and how they collaborate with everyone that works within that department to service the needs of students and families. Our military team needed to be around those professionals and those programs that already existed. The second part is to create educational therapists for military-connected students. That a child that needed some one-on-one brief therapy or stabilization or group work and could have a school group that's designated around their life and needs, like an example of a deployment group. And so you have the second piece is hiring clinical folks that can service that need. And the third is the family advocate piece, the resources that come. Every family has resource needs. Where do I go if I have this issue or this problem? Who will help me? We wanted to create that in this team and have them, incorporate all of those different areas. It's pretty exciting to be a part of it.
What surprised me the most about this program was that I could directly connect with what the military student population were going through. I was able to engage in areas of their life that I understood and I experienced myself as a military dependent, but also as a mother to two military connected students.
I know for me personally, success was hiring the people that we hired. To find the folks that have military backgrounds in their lives, either they currently serve or their spouse is currently serving. They have the experiences, they know what it takes to be a military family.
When I look at the students I work with, I see my kids. I see military connected students that are trying to navigate a really tough culture. Sometimes military life keeps parents very busy with movements and deployments and reintegrations that sometimes the military students in the home are forgotten to be given a moment of asking, how do you feel? How was your day at school during this tough time where a parent is deployed? So it's nice to be able to see these students and see them as I see my kids and check in with them as I check in with my kids.
We hope that our success shows other districts, other bases that it can happen, it should happen, and that something like this grows for the sake of kids.